Hey everyone, welcome back to CryptoCache. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Taking another look here at Bitcoin, seeing what's going on. We're going to double check some liquidation levels and kind of see what's going on here because we got this pretty big, significant fair value gap as low as about, 59,600. Good chance we're going to see that thing filled there. Maybe not right now, but this 0.618 fib level at exactly 60,000 seems like a likely target. So my consideration for a long position would be roughly 60,000, just to kind of throw it out there. Taking a quick look at liquidation here, let's just double check really quick what's going on here. Again, kind of talked about this previously, but that 60,700 mark is probably the next target here. If we zoom in a little closer, you can kind of see just as low as about 61,200 is that area of liquidation. So it might actually be getting swept right now as we speak. So again, that's unfortunate, but par for the course. Again, 60,000 seems like a likely bouncing point there. I would consider a long at that point, just because again, it's like a psychological level for a lot of people, but also that 0.618 fib level, pretty important stuff. So if you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. Hope you can learn something today. Thanks again so much for watching. Do me a favor, hit the like button, comment below. Deeply appreciate that. Let's go ahead and take a quick peek at the larger time frames and see if there's anything else kind of letting us know where we're at. So again, we got that fair value gap as low as about 59.7, but once again, 60,000 at that 0.618 fib level makes the most sense for a bounce. If we do take a look at the moving averages, we can see right now we're tentatively testing the 100-day SMA. Okay, not a lot of support below that. If we do zoom out, of course, we can see it tells us a slightly different story here, but the point of control is still remains at 67,000, but we're starting to get more volume at about 63,700 or had recently. So again, we got a resistance at roughly 64 and 67,000, just some round numbers for you. Moving forward though, once more support level at roughly 0.618, 60,000 even, okay? It's kind of what we're looking at there. Daily time frame, not much has evolved since this morning. We saw a bounce off 20 on the money flow index this morning. Hasn't held very well so far. We also see money flow index pulling back, stochastic swinging down. Every reason not to take a long position. So we are not heavy on shorts, but we have a couple of shorts in profit currently right now, just to give you perspective. We've got this is the our day trading bot. Minus Ethereum, we've seen a lot of profit coming through here as well for Cardano and XRP. But what I'm getting at is my day trading bot is different. This is my swing trades. These are trades that I take personally, and we can see VeChain and Matic both up on the day here so far. Really close to our second targets with both of those. Either way you look at it, I'm mentioning that because I don't want you to get too crazy with short positions either. We could be getting close to the bottom, but it seems pretty likely that 61 or 60,000 even would be the potential support range for us. Once more, that fair value gap I think is pretty obvious. That's just hanging out right there. Good chance we're going to get that fully filled. Because fair value gaps are very similar to CME gaps. There's like a magnet that pulls right towards it when the price blasts straight through. Because again, there's a lot of profit to be had right here, right? A lot of money just came up. Whoever got in right there, the whales that push the price action higher, they're going to drive the price down here to get their money back. Okay, well, to double their money basically, and everyone else loses their money for lack of better terms. Anyways, it's not funny. I'm sorry if you were caught in a long position, but again, folks, shouldn't be taking longs right now. I've been talking about this for a few days. We're looking pretty weak right now. We still have a lot of room left to grow. And at this point here, a 4-hour time frame, still more room for downside. Honestly, we're not even bottomed out yet. So I really think that even though we're confirming bearish here, we could still see the price pull back a little further. My money is somewhere between the 59.7 and 60K mark. Okay, I'm going to consider a long position or adding to my spot bag at 60,000. 1 hour time frame confirms everything I talked about earlier today, that we are truly bullish. Correction, sorry, we are not bullish at all. We are truly bearish on this coin. And there's no reason to consider a long position. So to anyone who's been taking long positions, I'm not sure exactly the reason for it, but we've had a lot of false positives. There's not a lot of reasons why. And if you've been watching my shorts on YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, Telegram, all that stuff, I can tell you that I've been talking about Bitcoin dropping very consistently. And there's no end in sight for now. I do think we're going to see some support here at 0.5 or 0.618, again, 60 to 61,000. But as we can see here so far, 61 isn't putting up much of a fight. So interesting stuff, but be very careful leading into the end of today's trading day. We may see a relief rally here soon at 61. That's pretty normal. Just know 60,000 seems like a very likely consideration for the price to pull back even further. So just heads up on that. All right, folks, you heard it from me here today. Hopefully that helps clarify a few things. Do me a favor, hit the like button, comment below. Deeply appreciate that. More importantly, just get in the habit of hitting like every time you watch my videos. It's really going to help grow the channel, so we can get more, best practice in front of more people, right? Unfortunately, a lot of those other idiots that like to take longs just because it's overextended or whatever. They're destroying a lot of people, and I'm sorry to hear that. Anyways, I hear a lot of negative feedback online about that. Regardless of that fact, thank you so much for watching. Comment below, like, subscribe, deeply appreciate it. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great rest of your day.